The duty of a true patriot is to protect his country against its government. Thomas Paine said that. The duty we have here is unique. So much of what we build and work for is land and cattle and equipment and operations of our business. We have an opportunity and an obligation to protect those businesses for the integrity of them for the next generations against our government. It is not unreasonable to believe that as the COVID-19 situation changes, there will come a time when payment is expected, and payment will be extorted from landowners. It's historical. They've done it in the past. Traditionally here lately, the exemption on death taxes for real estate has gone way up, but it can just as dramatically go way down and place an unfair burden upon the people we represent and live with to pay a disproportionate share of the COVID-19 debt that is occurring. I urge everyone to consider, to look at, there's avenues to approach this. There's a thing called the Ladybird deed. There's a trust. There's estate planning devices. There's ways you can situate your property in LLCs and family farming agreements to enhance the cost basis of them now to protect that value against taxation in the future. There's other things to do to enhance management by the next generations as we get older and as we find more and more government interference. And I say interference because a lot of times it is. The government has been very generous. The government has tried to do the best it can, but still it's the government. It's a self-perpetuating thing that we need as individuals to use what the law allows us to use to protect ourselves, as Thomas Paine said, this country against our government. They asked Shakespeare in a play, Henry VIII, what do you do to overthrow the government? And he said, well, the first thing we do is we kill all the lawyers. Why did he say that? Because lawyers traditionally are the individual's buffer against its government. I urge you to take a look at your planning, take a look at your operation, take a look at your day-to-day life and see what you most want to preserve and protect. Thank you.